Yeah, this is really bad. I gotta get a real horn. Yeah, probably disable that one. Yeah, I do not recommend it. It's not loud at all. I mean, inside my apartment. Um, I don't know what it's called anymore. I threw away the packaging. Well, it was only $7, so I mean, I'm not out much just by not returning it. Worth $7 not going to Walmart. I think I'll probably go to the actual bike shop and get a good one. Cause I'm too I'm too meek. Like the other day, I was behind two gals walking dogs, and I did not want to get into that mess. So I excuse me, and then got their attention and they moved to the side appropriately. And yeah, anyway, so this is dumb, very bad. Um, 0 out of 10.